The following segment is sponsored by the Salt Lake Fall Home Show. Are you looking to give your kitchen a modern makeover? Well, Darrin is here to share the hottest kitchen trends. Darrin, welcome to the show.
It's good to be here with you.
We are so excited. All right, talk to us about Cobble Creek Countertops.
So Cobble Creek Countertop is a local fabricator. We specialize in all types of countertops, from granite, quartz, quartzite, porcelain, you know, whatever your heart desires, that's what we do.
I love that. We're seeing some pictures right here. Talk to us about the trends moving away from grout. So if we want to be trendy, talk to us about that.
So we're seeing a lot of people that don't like to clean the grout. So what we're doing is we're actually putting in full high backsplash that goes up to the bottom of your cabinets, to eliminate the grout around your stove and things like that. We're also seeing a lot of people that are putting stone in their showers as well, because that eliminates the grout in those areas.
Who likes cleaning grout? I mean, I don't think anyone does.
Yeah, I don't.
Talk to us about the innovative shelving.
So the innovative shelving is a shelf that's going typically right behind your stove. That shelf, you know, you can use it to decorate off of. You can use it to put spices and things like that on it. So a lot of people are putting those in their kitchens as well.
All right, you're keeping us trendy. Talk to us about custom showrooms.
So just custom showrooms. That's more of for like us. You can come see our custom showroom, but we're seeing a lot of people that are doing large islands and things like that kind of give a showroom look, but in their own homes, with doing double waterfalls and things like that really show off their islands and different countertops in their homes.
Okay, love that. Okay, what are some integrated features for pets? Because sometimes people care more about their pets than anything else in the home.
They do. So one thing that we like to do is we put a pet bowl and dish in an island.
Oh, I love that.
You can actually put pot filler right there, so that you don't have to carry your water across for your pet.
Love that.
And get it all over your kitchen.
That's going to make some pet owners very, very happy. All right, talk to us about matching kitchen tables.
So we also have done to match the kitchen table with your countertops.
I love that.
So we build the base out of steel, and then we cover the legs and the countertop and everything to match your kitchen. So it just makes your dining area actually flow right into your kitchen area.
Love that. You're keeping us trendy. Okay, and you'll be at the Salt Lake Fall Home Show this weekend with all of that, so many more tips, yes?
Yes.
All right.
Come and see us, and we can show off some of our ideas.
Perfect. And he was so great on camera. Darrin will be signing autographs, just so you know.
Okay, I will do.
Thank you so much, Darrin.
You bet.